Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really colorful water marble nail design. So I'm going to use this pink polish by LA Colors called Pink Bubbles, this blue by Pure Ice called Pocket Dial. This polish is also by Pure Ice. It's kind of like a lavender grayish color called Street Cred. And this orange by OPI, and it's called Where Did Susie's Man Go? I don't know. They just make some weird names. Now I'm going to add the colors into tap water. It's room temperature tap water. I use special waters, and I wanted to show you all the different polishes that I use when I do my water marble. A lot of people ask me what kind of polishes. I use, as you can see, OPI is a little bit more expensive, but I got that on clearance because I'm not going to pay a lot. And then the other polishes are really inexpensive. And I have to say, Sinful Colors and Pure Ice really work well in water marble. I don't know, something about the formula really does work well. Now I'm going to use my thin water marbling tool. You can use anything with a point. And I'm just going to do some just lines. Nothing, no rhyme or reason to what I'm doing. Just some regular lines. Now this polish did kind of dry up a little faster. So I'm trying to, do the design really quick. But I wanted to have like wavy, fun, perfect for summertime nails. Now I applied my nails carefully into the cup because I had to redo it because I was getting a lot of bubbles. So when you apply your finger into the cup, do it very slowly so that you're able to not get bubbles on your nails and ruin your design. And as you can see, I removed the liquid latex and I cleaned around my nails and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy and simple for you guys to recreate if you want. Here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.